As the Caring Place at Miami Rescue Mission and Broward Outreach Centers, we are grateful for those whom in any capacity extend a helping hand to the less fortunate, such as the homeless and needy families in our community. However, on this occasion, we are blessed to celebrate the efforts of those who collaborate closely with our ministry as faith partners. Those whom have gone the extra mile to minister to the needy, pray over our residents and low-income families, give words of affirmation, even by organizing different drives for essential items, and aid us financially.
We're so blessed to be able to give back to those that need it most. The children's faces are lighting up every time we give them baskets, and this is what this day is all about, the children and giving praise to the Lord, our God.
New beginning. You know what I'm saying? The old way wasn't working, so it's time for a change, you know what I'm saying? Where the world going anyway, you know what I'm saying? So I decided, I just had a little girl, so I wanna change, you know what I'm saying?
We want to celebrate your passion, dedication, and effort. We want to celebrate your partnership.
It's amazing to be able to look at the kids in the eyes and just remind them that, Jesus loves them, and to be able to pray over people as they drive through. Watching people get baptized when they came in for food and they leave with Jesus is the most amazing experience ever.
Because without you, our efforts wouldn't be as successful. And we encourage you to continue with us on our path of restoration. Thank you for your wonderful partnership, but most importantly, thank you for helping us grow.